Great morning, students. Today we'll start a lesson 7 of grammar, that is doing words. So let's see. Here some examples are given. A dog barks, a boy smiles, the star shines, the stars shine, the birds fly. Look at the picture given below. Each picture show that what the naming words does. Here you know that a dog, a boy, the stars, the birds are naming words. So children, the stars shine. What do the stars do? They shine. Shine is a doing word. It shows what the star do. You know that star is a naming word and shine is a doing word. Words that tell us what the naming words do are called doing words. So children, what are doing words? The words that tell us what the naming word do are called doing words, and these are also called verbs and action verbs. They are also called verbs or action words. Now children, exercise A is given. Based on that rule, underline the doing words in the given sentences. What you have to do, you have to underline the doing words, like my mother sleeps at 10 o'clock. You know that mother is a naming word, and what the mother does, sleeps. So you will underline the sleeps. An eagle flies in the sky. Eagle, what does eagle do? Flies. So you will underline the flies. Children, you can do this exercise by yourself. Now second is fill in the blanks with doing words. Choose from the strip. You have to choose the words from the strip and fill in the blanks. Like words are given: shines, drinks, cooks, swim, drives, reads, play. Here Rita reads a book. The cat dash milk. What the cat does? The cat drinks. You will write here drinks. The boys dash in the playground. The boys play. 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 Boys play in the playground. Like this you have to do. And next exercise, children, read the naming word, circle the action word they cannot do. You have to read the naming word, like babies. And what the babies cannot do, like cry. Babies can do cry. Crawl, fly, laugh. The baby cannot do fly. So you will circle the fly. Birds fly, hop, read, sing. So birds cannot sing. Okay, you will circle the actions they cannot do. Next exercise D part. Given below are the some things Gerald family does for him. Look at the pictures and complete the sentence like this. My father dash for me. Like children, my father cooks for me. My brother dash with me. My brother plays with me. My mother dash me to school. My mother takes me to school. Like this you can do easily. Now children, next is doing word with ing. Now here you have to add ing in the doing word. Look at the picture and read the sentences. What is the boy doing? He is riding bicycle. What is the girl doing? She is eating food. So here doing word with ing. You will add ing in the doing word. The phrases is riding and eating tell us what the boy and girl are doing. These ing words are also doing words. Look at here. When we add ing to doing words, we follow these rules. Like we add ing to some doing words without making any changes. Like walk, walking. You will not do any change. You will add only ing. Read, reading. And with some doing words that end in e, जो e पे end होते हैं, we drop the e before adding ing. Like give, give, we drop the e and we add ing. Giving, hide, hiding. We add ing to some doing words after doubling the last letter of the word. Cut, cutting, swim, swimming. Here last letter is doubled. Now children, in this exercise E, what you have to do, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Choose word from the strip. So children, the words are given in the strips. You have to choose the word and write it. Two children are dash book. Two children are reading. Like this, two children are reading books. Eddie is dash a kite. Eddie is flying a kite. You can do this exercise by. Now children, next exercise is F. In this exercise, you have to look at the picture and pick the correct sentence. First is Neha is swimming, Neha is riding. You know that Neha is riding. So you have to take the Neha is riding. Here you will take. Rahul is walking. Rahul is skipping. You know that Rahul is skipping. So you will take the skipping. Okay. You can do. Now children, exercise G. Put or take right for a good action and cross for a bad action. You have to read the sentences and put right for good action and cross for bad action. Pinching your friend, it's a good habit? No. So you will write wrong here. Okay. Sharing chocolate with someone, this is a good habit. So you will write here, tick here. Okay, you can do. And children, next is H part. Find and circle the following action words in the grid. So children, some action words are given here: swing, blow, sit, wash, stand, run. You will find the words in the grid and circle it. Okay, swing. You will find the swing here and circle it. So you can do this exercise like swing, circle it. Okay, you can do this exercise by yourself easily. So children, I hope you have understood the exercise. Thank you children.